In this engaging online math model drawing course, Primary 4 students learn to solve exam-type questions step by step. For example, there were 160 more toy cars than robots. After 80 robots were sold, toy cars became 5 times the robots. How many robots at first? Your child will learn to draw clear comparison bars. This course helps students stop guessing and start understanding visually. Your child will break down exam-type questions, draw the correct model, and solve systematically. These more than and became X times questions appear often in Primary 4 exams. All lessons are recorded with detailed voice explanations. At the end of each section, topical worksheets with exam-type questions and step-by-step answer explanations are attached. Help your child master Primary 4 math modeling. Join our course today.